Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to block someone from commenting on your Instagram posts. If someone leaves negative, harassing, or inappropriate comments on your Instagram posts repeatedly, you can block them from commenting further. Here are the steps to block a user from commenting on your profile. Open the Instagram app on your Android device and navigate to the post where the person you want to block has left comments. Tap on the comment that the user left on your post. This will open a menu with options including Block. Select the three dots in the top right corner of the comment menu. Choose Block from the list to prevent this person from commenting on your posts again. Instagram will prompt you to confirm blocking this user. Tap Block again to confirm you want to block them from commenting on your profile and posts. Instagram will now hide all comments from this blocked user and prevent them from posting new ones. No notifications will be sent regarding blocked users. At any time, you can unblock a user from commenting on your profile by going to your profile page in Instagram. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and select Settings. Choose Privacy and tap Blocked Accounts. Find the user you want to unblock and tap Unblock. They will now be able to comment on your posts again. Take time to review their comments first before unblocking to ensure the issue has been resolved. In summary, if you have someone repeatedly leaving negative, harassing, or inappropriate comments on your Instagram posts, you can block them. Follow the steps in this video to quickly and easily block other users from commenting on your profile. Use your profile settings to unblock a user when needed, or report them to Instagram if the issue continues after blocking. Be cautious of unblocking users who have previously violated your privacy or posted abusive content. Contact Instagram's support directly if the problem persists after using features like blocking and reporting. They aim to provide a safe and positive experience for all users. We hope this information was helpful in learning how to manage comments and block users on your Instagram profile. Please let us know if you have any other questions. Like and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Instagram provides tools for users to control their experience. Blocking, reporting, and limiting comments/mentions are options for preventing harassment. Do not hesitate contacting support if the problem continues after using these features. Your privacy and safety are important. Have a great day.